When you find yourself in harm's way, ergonomics is about more than just comfort. It is imperative to getting your job done safely. That's why we've designed the MSA G1 SCBA with critical ergonomic principles in mind. To begin, we've removed all electronics from the facepiece, stripping away excess bulk and weight. This not only makes the facepiece more comfortable to wear, but it also reduces snag hazards, provides an increased field of view, and an improved range of motion. In addition, an open port design allows you to breathe easier and communicate more clearly when off-air. We have also modified the G1's backplate. By repositioning electronics and pneumatics content, we were able to lower the center of gravity, increasing stability, reducing snag hazards, and improving your overall ability to pivot and flex, providing you with a greater range of motion. We have also created a design that is symmetrical, maximizing balance and stability. We've consulted with many of you about the G1 harness, and we've made some improvements there, like upgrading our shoulder straps. To prevent them from moving out of position, we have strategically placed friction pads so that once the SCBA has been donned, the shoulder straps will remain in place. In addition, we've also increased the width of our shoulder straps to expand the area of contact and reduce pressure points on your shoulders. Another key feature is our swiveling lumbar pad. Because of its design, the G1 moves with you and keeps the weight properly positioned so that you can maneuver more effortlessly. Beyond the swiveling functionality, there is also an optional adjustable lumbar pad mechanism. With 3 different positions, the adjustable lumbar pad can accommodate varying torso lengths. This allows the G1 to be customized to each user, ensuring the weight is properly distributed across the hips and shoulders, and making sure the SCBA stays in place while you are working. Ultimately, the MSA G1's unique ergonomic design is not solely about enhanced mechanisms and maximized functionality. It's about how all of those things work together to help you get your job done. Because when you go in, we go in with you. The G1 SCBA. Contact your local sales manager to learn more.
In the race against time, only the strong survive. In the fight for life, no one hits harder than Hearst. Power, speed, innovation, and the biggest breakthroughs in rescue history. They cut, lift, and spread. They brave the flames, bust down obstacles, defy danger, and never back down. Brace for impact, because Hearst Jaws of Life rescue tools are unstoppable.
When your life is on the line, there are few things more dangerous than the threats you can't see. That's why we've integrated a thermal imaging camera into the MSA G1 SCBA. Designed to use the single rechargeable power source of the G1 SCBA, the integrated TIC turns on automatically and ensures that, from the moment you arrive on scene, you'll be able to locate heat sources immediately, providing you with the information you need to make quick tactical decisions. Once inside, the large clear display allows you to see through smoke and find and save lives. And if exit points are blocked, you'll have the vision to locate alternate options to escape quickly and safely. The MSA G1 Integrated TIC, giving your team vision when they need it the most. Because when you go in, we go in with you. When we designed the MSA G1 SCBA, we worked closely with firefighters to create an SCBA that met your needs. The result is the all-new G1 SCBA that provides increased safety and situational awareness for each and every firefighter. We heard you say that loud and clear communications are vital on the fire ground. That's why we made electronic voice amplification standard on every G1, giving every firefighter the ability to give and receive clear direction at critical times. You stressed the importance of situational awareness and visibility, so we took a multi-level approach. We covered the shoulder and cylinder straps with an enhanced retro-reflective material that can take the heat. We kept the glow-in-the-dark band around the cylinder for good measure. But most importantly, we took a hard look at the buddy lights. There are 7 of them, providing 360-degree visibility, and even air status information to those around you. You told us to make it easy to get the information you need, and we did. The G1 features a full-color electronic display, but also a brightly lit pneumatic gauge. The full-color display can be configured in a number of ways to fit your SOP and make the information you need easy to get. Finally, you told us to include rescue options for those instances where seconds matter. We did that too. When your air is low, you will hear this alarm. And the patent-pending RIT light will illuminate the universal air connection, providing you with extra visibility when it's needed most. Our patented universal air connection lets you donate air from your SCBA to your buddies, so you don't need to stay tethered while evacuating. Finally, the G1 has been designed with buddy breathing and a remote quick fill system for additional rescue breathing options. The G1 SCBA from MSA Safety is created with your safety in mind. Because when you go in, we go in with you. Contact your local sales manager to learn more.
while some are content imagining the future. At Streamlight, we prefer to manufacture it. Meet the Vulcan 180 by Streamlight. Suddenly, every other lantern feels like an antique. Working directly with our engineers, the Vulcan 180 was designed by firefighters for firefighters. Fully rechargeable, it comes with an innovative mounting rack that fits perfectly in your old Fire Vulcan's footprint. And it's easier to use in tight spaces. Just tilt and pull. Engineered to burn brighter and last longer, the Vulcan 180 has 3 high-intensity LEDs that rip through the dark with 1,200 lumens. Innovative optics produce a clean, tight spot with a wide peripheral beam. Its articulating head rotates 180 degrees so you can direct the beam exactly where you need it. Once positioned, you can lock it in for safety. Can your light instantly change from a high-intensity spot and low modes for task-specific illumination? If not, then it's time to change your light. Integrated blue safety lights ensure others will see you from behind. Each is safely recessed so they won't break off in action. You asked us to make it easier to use. You got it. The Vulcan 180 has a larger handle for easier handoffs, even with your gloves. A non-slip rubberized cushion grip for easier carrying. Its quick-release shoulder strap allows instant deployment, and a big push-button switch for easier switching. The Vulcan 180 by Streamlight. Burns brighter, lasts longer, kicks ash. Darwin believed the ability to adapt is the secret to survival. We couldn't agree more. Presenting the Vantage 180 by Streamlight. It's a helmet light. It's a handheld. It's a right-angle light. The Vantage 180 has a large push-button switch for easy one-handed operation, even with gloves. Powered by 2 lithium 123As, it produces a super bright 250 lumen spot beam and an ultra bright blue tail light. With powerful lights in front and back, it's designed to let you see and be seen in heavy smoke. It's the perfect addition to the Streamlight family of lighting tools for firefighters. With an innovative articulating head, the Vantage 180 is not like other helmet lights. Simply adjust the head to aim the beam wherever you want it to be. When you need a handheld, no problem. The Vantage 180 can quickly be removed, no tools necessary. So you can use it for searching, marking an exit, or during overhaul operations. The Vantage 180 also doubles as a right-angle light. Just clip it to your turnout coat. When you adjust the head to 90 degrees, the tail light switches from a blue to a white downcast flood, so you can see what's in front of you and at your feet. If that's not enough, the Vantage 180 is also one tough light. Constructed of high-impact nylon polymer, it's chemical resistant and virtually indestructible. The Vantage 180 by Streamlight. Wear it, hold it, clip it, see it. Just don't forget to bring it.